Hi everyone, in front of me I've got HMD Fusion and let me share with you how to change the ringtone on this device. So let's start with opening the settings, and here in this general list we have to scroll and find sound and vibration. Now let's scroll down a little bit and find phone ringtone for the first and second SIM card. As you can see in this device it is divided, so you can set totally different one for the first SIM card and totally different ringtone for the second one. I'll show you how to do it using, for example, the first SIM card. It does not really matter, simply tap on this option, and as you can see here we've got pre-installed ringtones from which we can choose. At the top we've got the option none, which means that after choosing it your device will not use any kind of sound to notify about the incoming call. And on the other hand, at the bottom of this list we've got the option add ringtone, which means that you can enter your own files and set, for example, something downloaded as your ringtone. In order to listen how the particular ringtone sounds, you have to simply tap on it, and then you will be able to check whether you like it or not. So let's pretend I want the soft mine to be set. Just make sure that it is marked and tap on OK. And as you can see, it is immediately notified right here, which means that from now on your device will use the chosen ringtone to notify you about the incoming call. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.